so for today's video, we're going to be talking about the Lilac Street original lashes in Espresso. And they come in sizes 12 and 14. I kind of wish they had 16, but for now, I guess it's just 12 and 14s. And I'm actually wearing them right now. I put them on last week and I just wanted to try it out. So because I only had 12 and 14s, I did do like a cat eye look. So I did like 3 12s and then, is it 3 or 4 14s? I don't remember. I think 3. And I liked it. It's a very natural look and you can only really tell like in the sun, I think, because right now it looks pretty black. But this is what they look like. I'll hold them up side by side. So pretty similar. It's not a light brown. It's more like a medium brown. So this is the Espresso and this is the originals. Maybe you need like a white background. Even now it looks pretty dark. Yeah, so I wanted to wear them and then give you my thoughts on them because I've done a lot of videos on my technique and what I do. And I like them, but I don't love them. When Lilac actually offered to send these to me to try, I was like, yes, I totally want to try them because one, they're usually sold out. They're really popular. If you have lighter hair, sometimes brown lashes just look a lot better, like less like, I guess, jarring like to your natural look. And so these are usually sold out. And so I was like, yes, I wanted to try it because I've always been curious. I've tried the purple ones and I like those too. For me, like, I wasn't sure if I would like it, that's why. So I never bought it like myself because if I have a choice between black or brown eyeliner, I always go black. Like I can't do brown eyeliner. I don't know why, it doesn't look right on me. And even this week, I noticed I felt like I had to put darker eyeshadow on. So usually I'll just like throw on some bronzer for my eyeshadow, but instead I use this like, sorry, it's a super dirty palette, but the Cordura palette by NARS, and this is just kind of like one of my old favorite ones, but it's a lot darker than a bronzer would be. So I did feel like I had to add more drama to my eyes that I was missing. And also when I didn't have my eyeliner on, I felt like more naked about it, you know? So yeah, I personally like black lashes better. And today is probably like the 7th day and these are lasting really well. I mean, just like the originals, they can last me 10 days, but I wanted to change them out just because this one is falling off right here, if you can see. So I thought what I would do is I'll take this one off, apply the black originals, and then you can see side by side if you can tell. And this is for like us dark hair girls. It doesn't make a difference, right? So obviously if you have lighter hair, it'll blend better with your natural look. But for dark hair, like, is it better or not? I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this eye and I'll try not to take off my makeup just so that it looks the same. So my favorite way of removing or using the chow for now is using one of these doe foot applicators. And I just buy these on Amazon or Temu, super cheap, and it just works a lot better than this. This one is skinny, I can just put it in, and I'm just gonna dab it on here. It's like having a cotton swab and being able to get the remover right on the base where the glue is without having all the fuzz from the cotton, you know? So I'm gonna try to not take my makeup off, so maybe I'll go like this. So I'm just gonna put it in my little glass jar. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit and do its thing, and I'm gonna take off this whole eye. Okay, so I took those lashes off, and this is just for fun. I'm putting these on and I'm gonna like take them off, shower, and then put on French lace. So sad. I'm going to be using regular tweezers because I dropped my tweezers and I guess I dropped it this way, so it's like not picking up anymore. So sad. I'm just putting on the little silicone things because I can use it to like push them together. So as usual, I'm just going to put some glue on the bottom Hopefully it sticks because I didn't take off the chow for now. I just put extra glue. Put on 3/12. And I really do miss those tweezers. The regular tweezers are okay, but it's just getting the angle is a lot harder for me. And actually, since I'm just doing this to for fun, I'm not gonna put extra glue. So that's 3/12. I kind of just put it to the middle of my eye and then go in with the 14ths from the middle to the outer. And I'm still stacking them how I would normally do it. I'm just not putting the extra glue on the band. But yeah, I really missed my 16s when I did this look. So there, these are the black originals. These are the espresso originals. And I don't know, can you tell a difference? Sorry, I'm sweating because it's like so hot in here, but not really, right? I mean, well, you can be the judge. If I had to pick, I do like the blacker ones or the darker ones, but it is so similar that I can't tell. And this is like, because I have naturally dark hair, I think. Maybe I should take a photo in the sunlight. So yeah, I just went outside. I took some photos in the bright afternoon sun, and it's so subtle that this one's a little bit darker. Although this past weekend, one of my friends noticed, and she's like, she thought I had brown eyeshadow on my lashes, so she could tell that it was brown. So certain lights you can tell, and I don't know. For me, I'm gonna stick with the black ones. It's always a good option to have brown for all different hair types and skin colors. So that's it. I just want to share with you and do a comparison so that you know you're not missing out on using the browns if you have dark hair. Now I know also. I'll just reiterate some tips for longevity. When you wear the lashes, putting the eyeshadow on, I think really helps. And it's like a step a lot of people don't want to do just because you have lashes on. Some people just want to do the lashes and be out the door. But I think it's really important to put some kind of powder on your lids to keep the oils away. Also, fusing it every day after washing your face in the morning and at night. I have one of these. This one is from Lashify, and this one is really expensive, so I don't know if I recommend. I love this one, I do, but you can also get ones from Amazon or Temu, and they're just a little bit less curved, I think, than this. But I love this type of tweezer the most. I can't use this one to apply. I'm just like not that coordinated, but to fuse it every day, just having that one like being able to fuse it all together at the same time, I think is really key. So I would buy something like this. This one is good for application, but for fusing it, it's hard for me. Like I have to do it in sections, you know, and I don't have time for that. So get the curved tweezer. I guess just keeping them clean. For me, I always get concealer or something on the bottom of my lashes. You can just get the glass and one of these doe foot applicators, and you can kind of clean it up at the bottom if it's bothering you. Oh yeah, that's another thing. Getting a bunch of these. I just buy these in bulk. Okay. This is 100 of these little applicators, and these are super cute. They have glitter. But this is good for the chow for now, applying it like how I did earlier. And it's also super good for the crystal coat. If you don't like your lashes to be sticky, I hate it when I do it and they're sticky. So getting some of this and then applying that gets a really good coat on your lashes so it's not super sticky. I usually apply mine at night and then do my skincare, you know, whatever, and go to sleep, and then the next day you wake up and it's done. That just works better for my lifestyle, but letting the lashes cure overnight, I think helps too. As long as you're not super oily or you wear like tons of like moisturizer. Having it cure overnight is easy, or if you're a face sleeper, maybe not. If you have any questions, yeah, just let me know and I will try my best to answer them. I love Lilac Street, and I love that they're always coming up with new things. They have something in the works that I can't say, but I'm super excited about. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.